Hey guys, Dan from Alliance Contracting here. I decided that I wanted to be able to use my Bobcat skid steer attachments on my Bobcat mini excavator. So I'm going to show you how I did this. So I'm getting everything welded up and just figuring out how to brace it. I'm just going to kind of design it as I go. I got some 2x2 tubular steel cutting over there. I'm going to put a brace across the bottom and then tie it up into here somehow and then just see how strong that feels. Alright, now you see here that I got the plate all mocked up. I have it attached to the skid steer auger. So this is a preliminary test run. I'm going to have to probably lengthen the hoses or make some hose extensions to reach the quick couplers up there. Currently the quick couplers power the thumb. So we're going to have to make sure that it has a full range of motion without kinking any hoses. But so far I like the way this is looking. It attached with relative ease and it seems pretty sturdy. Here's the finished product with a quick coat of paint. I just mainly used scrap steel that I had sitting around the shop. Pretty happy with the design. I made it up as I went along. Seems to be very strong. So the next step is mounting the auger and getting the hydraulic lines attached. I have to make some extensions for the hydraulic lines so they reach the quick couplers that are currently running the thumb. Here it is all hooked up to my auger. Now I probably won't run this large of a bit on here. I have a 9-inch and an 18-inch that I'll probably use more so. This auger bit just happened to be on here and I'm using it more for like a placeholder for the length. So the next step is we have to take these hydraulic lines here. Obviously they won't reach. So I'm going to have to make some 5-foot extension hoses, but I'm going to put those quick couplers. They're the flat face Bobcat style. I think Kubota and John Deere might use them as well. We're going to make a 5-foot extension hose, and we're going to have to unplug the thumb and just put those on somehow. Might just use a bungee cord for temporary attaching, I don't know. New hose. So now we have to adapt these fittings. Little thread sealant. These connectors are 3/4 inch. And this is only 1/2 inch, so I had to get these 3/4 to 1/2 inch reducer bushings. Made by Gates. That just screws into here. The more compound, the better, I have to say. It's getting a little stiff too. Because once you tighten it in, you can clean it off. I don't like leaks, so we'll just tighten this up. Get that good and snug. We don't like leaks. All right, here's the auger all hooked up with the hydraulic auxiliary hose extensions I made. Make sure the hoses are clamped there. There's a factory clamp mount to keep them from dragging. And keep in mind when we lift this auger up and have it vertical, these lines will stretch out more, so they should be hopefully the right length that they don't drag, but give us enough articulation and movement. So let's try this bad boy out.